One of the first steps for you to handle any confrontation or potential confrontation is to mirror your prospects. Far too often, our prospects will say something that we perceive as negative, and we directly or indirectly cause an argument by trying to hit that head on, right? This is way out of our budget. Why is it out of your budget? It's not out of your budget. You guys told me that you're looking for the right solution. We want to have the right solution for you. We're just creating these conflicts and arguments, okay? Even if they're done more subtly, it's still a disagreement. Here's what I want you to do. Anytime you're faced with any sort of confrontation, your first step is going to be to always mirror that person. This is just way outside of our budget. It's way outside of your budget. You're just simply repeating back the last 1 to 4 words that they said, or you're choosing a selected set of 1 to 4 words. Now, if they're angry, I don't want you to get angry. If they're loud, I don't want you to get loud. I want you to use a very calm tonality in your voice, right? And just put a slight question mark on the end. What this is going to do is it's going to cause your prospect to go, okay, this person's trying to work with me. This person's trying to understand me. One of the biggest misconceptions that we make with mirroring is when I try and train people this, they immediately have this negative perception that, hey, you're going to sound like a parrot and I'm going to sound like an idiot and I'm going to annoy people. You're not, right? Your price is just too high. Our price is too high? Yeah, well, I mean, I was hoping to pay, we were hoping to be in the neighborhood of $18,000 a month for this. In the neighborhood of $18,000, yeah, I mean, it's not my thing, it's what the board said. Why do you think the board set the number at that, right? Instead of just fighting with them, I want you to mirror what your prospects just said. That's out of your budget? There's too much price there? The board would never approve that. Whatever it is that you're facing that's a potential confrontation, the first thing you need to do is mirror. That's going to get them talking, and that's going to give you the opportunity to step in and collaborate with them versus you arguing with them, saying that they're wrong and you're right.